Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake healthy, low-carbohydrate vegetables pizza omelet. Hope you like it. This vegetable pizza uses eggs instead of flour for the crust, making it more delicious and healthier. This recipe is also suitable for friends who are on diet. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, corn kernels. Wash and slice cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, also known as small tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, are sweet and slightly sour, with a refreshing and juicy taste. They are usually sweeter than ordinary tomatoes, with a softer sour taste and a strong overall flavor. Wash and cut broccoli into florets. Broccoli has a fresh taste with a hint of sweetness and slight bitterness, and a crisp texture. Its unique aroma becomes more pronounced after cooking, and it is suitable for a variety of cooking methods such as steaming, stir-frying, or roasting. Put the broccoli into the steamer and steam it for about 15 minutes. Broccoli set aside. Cover baking bowl with baking paper and crack eggs into bowl. Add corn kernels. Add broccoli. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Drizzle cooking oil. Mix evenly. Place cherry tomato slices on surface. Eggs are ready to bake. It looks appetizing even before it's baked, right? Let's bake egg. The recipe says to bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. I suggest you adjust the baking time according to your oven. I only baked it for 21 minutes and the eggs were cooked through. If you insert a chopstick and there is no egg liquid, it means it is fully cooked. Carefully remove from oven and place into an empty plate. Omelette pizza combines the softness of omelette with the rich flavor of pizza, with rich taste. The aroma of eggs is intertwined with the cheese, vegetables, meat and other ingredients on the pizza, bringing a rich milky and salty taste. The outer edge is slightly crispy, the inside is soft and juicy, and the overall taste is full and satisfying. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Egg pizza without cheese is more friendly to fat loss because cheese contains high fat and calories, and removing it can significantly reduce the overall calories. Eggs provide high-quality protein, and paired with vegetables and a small amount of lean meat, they can meet nutritional needs without consuming too much fat. Although the taste lacks the richness of cheese, it can still be flavored with herbs, spices, or low-fat sauces, keeping it delicious and healthier. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber, which helps boost immunity and promote digestive health. It also contains antioxidants such as sulfides and flavonoids, which have potential anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. In addition, broccoli is low in calories and high in nutrient density, making it an ideal choice for fat loss and a healthy diet. Roasted cherry tomatoes have a more intense flavor, with the sweetness and sourness concentrated under high temperature, bringing a deeper flavor. The skin shrinks slightly, the mouthfeel becomes soft and juicy, and the inside is sweeter. The caramelization reaction produced during the roasting process gives cherry tomatoes a subtle charred aroma, which is perfect for pairing with meat, salads, or as an appetizer. Cherry tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, vitamin and antioxidants such as lycopene, which help enhance immunity and protect cell health. Their low calorie and high water content make them an ideal choice for fat loss and healthy eating. In addition, cherry tomatoes also contain potassium and dietary fiber, which help maintain cardiovascular health and promote digestion. Baked omelet pizza is easy to make. Just put your favorite ingredients on the omelet base and put it in the oven. It saves time and effort and is delicious. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.